how to improve your personalities. Why it is important for us? Because it's have several roles in the societies and at the other places where you are going for the job. It is important for us five tips which is important for everyone's lives. It's you are preparing for the higher examinations or you are going to any jobs interview, because these five tips is to be very important. It seems many times in the interviewers they have asked the questions about this personality development. Its place about 100 numbers marks, and at least you will get to pass at least 90 numbers is to be must everyone who is going to for the competitive examinations or at any jobs like higher examinations. So let's start. First of all, it is seen that performance. What is your performance, and how you will be perform to the very well in front of the everybody's. Performance means होता है that means which defined means you will be performs in front of the audience, how you will be speaking, how is your thinking power, how much you have this having thinking in your mind, how much capacities you have think, how much you have raised in your life. And second thing is image is very important for every persons, because it's defined your categories, in which categories are you coming from and in which categories you will be preferred for the higher examinations, and in which place you are going for the competitive examinations. And the second thing is exposures, how much expose, how much you are talking. So it is a very important exposure. Third tips is exposure. It is important for us because it's play major roles in the human societies, because how you are looking in front of the audience, in front of the sightseeing places. If you are going to speak at any audience at any chorus or any munch, then how you are exposed in the another persons, how much you have getting involved with the audience. And it is important for us how much we have confidence we can speak to the ourselves, so that this exposure is very much for everyone's which show your characters and behaviors by the walking, talking and speaking. And third is things very important for us. It is cancelled several times examinations, and everyone must to know about the four tips. Four tips is your how to consult your customers, how you consult your customers, and what is your ideas, what is your opinions. You have finally give to the goals your customers, and finally he will be obvious, he will be knows about your ideas, new ideas and your thinking powers and your planning, how much you have involving at any things, whatever you are prefer like yourself. Self that many of the friends have asked me how to perform to the very well, and this is the very much four tips. It's improve your capacities, your language and your customs. Means if you are working at any job places, then you will be contact your boss and with your staffs, how much you have involved with them at any project, at any place, at any work, how much you have involving with them. And there then that you see that your reputations will be goes to very boost. If animals will be out come to the outside and he ask your staffs, oh, who is the your names he is asking you, and then the your staffs will be replied with them very calmly and very politely that this guy is very must and he is very well known persons on this professions, on this work. And Last is that is very biggest things. 5 tips is that you see your better opportunities. If you are looking your better opportunities in the futures, everyone will be satisfies with you and every will sacrifice with you, and he will be involved in every object with you, and he will be take opinions to use to work there in the futures. And it is important to say that this 5 tips is very must for us to improve and boost your capacities in the futures. Thank you all of.